In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus in Windows 11. Open the Settings app by pressing Windows and I on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut is one of the fastest ways to jump directly into Windows settings, and it saves you from having to search through the Start menu. Once Settings opens, look over to the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. This section contains many of the built-in Windows protection and permission controls, so that's where you'll find the Defender options you need. Next, click Windows Security. This opens the area where Windows groups together its main security features, including antivirus, firewall, and device protection. From there, select Virus and Threat Protection. This is the section that controls Microsoft Defender Antivirus and its scanning behavior. Now scroll until you see Virus and Threat Protection settings, then click Manage Settings. This will take you to the page where you can adjust how Defender works in real time. On this screen, find Real-Time Protection and switch it off. Real-Time Protection is the feature that actively monitors files, apps, and downloads as you use your computer. Turning it off stops Defender from automatically checking for threats in the background. Keep in mind that Windows may only allow this to be disabled temporarily, and it may turn itself back on later to help keep your system protected. If a user account control prompt appears asking for permission, click Yes to continue. This is a normal Windows confirmation message that shows up when you're making a security-related change. After that, the change will be applied, and Microsoft Defender's real-time protection will be disabled. Once you're done, you can close the settings window. A quick tip before you go, only leave antivirus protection disabled if you have a specific reason to do so and you understand the risks. If you're troubleshooting software, installing a trusted program, or using another security tool, this may make sense for a short time. But in general, it's a good idea to turn protection back on as soon as you're finished so your PC stays secure, and that's all it takes to disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus in Windows 11.